how to add 60-second music to YouTube Shorts. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically add in music to your YouTube Shorts. Now, firstly, you have to come on to canva.com. As soon as you guys come on to canva.com, after that, from over here, click on the search bar and type in YouTube Short. So once you guys type in YouTube Short over here, just simply click on YouTube Shorts. And once you guys type in YouTube Shorts, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. Now from over here, you guys can of course choose any template, but in my case, I'm going to go with a blank video. So as soon as I click on create a blank YouTube short, now firstly, we are going to create a blank YouTube short, and then in the end, we are going to be adding in the 60-second of music. So from the left side, I will click on elements, and I will basically design a YouTube short that I think is going to be very fun. So what I'm going to do is that I will just simply drag and drop this text over here, and then after that I will drag and drop this particular waveform over here as well. So once I drag and drop this particular waveform, this is going to look something like this. And then after that, I will of course move this a bit up as well. And then after that, I will drag and drop something else as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically drag and drop this over here. So once we have dragged and dropped the text that we want, now from the left side, I will add in a few background over here as well. I will drag and drop this particular background over here. And after that, now as you guys can see that we have our first video ready. So I will just simply increase the duration to about 60 seconds because of course we want to add music to a 60-second YouTube short. And then once I've added in that music, now coming back over here, now from over here, what you guys need to do is to firstly add in transitions. So I'm going to add in transitions over here by simply clicking on this particular animation. Then I will click on animate, and now we have so many animations. I will go through these one by one, and we'll see which one we like. So this one looks nice, but I think that these are not exactly fitting the short style. I think that this one is gonna look really nice, or this one. So like these two are the ones that I personally really like. So actually I'm gonna go with this one for this, and then for this one I will go with this one, or perhaps this one, and then for this one I will go with this one. So once you've done that, now we can see that we have our transition somewhat set up. So I will play the video again, and it looks nice though, but I think we can make it a bit better as well. So I will play it again just so that we could see it. So now that we have our video ready, now all that you guys need to do on Canva is to click on the left side on audio, and then after that you guys can literally type in any genre that you want. For example, I will type in lo-fi, and then you guys can simply click on play, and you guys are gonna have that music. So once you guys have found the music that you want, simply drag and drop it over here. I will just simply mute the music for now, just so that we don't run into any copyright strikes whatsoever. And now if I were to play the video, this is the music that you guys are gonna be hearing. So that is how you guys can actually add in music to your YouTube shorts. And now this music has been added in for 60 seconds over here. And all that you need to do now is simply click on the top right on share and click on download, and then from over here choose MP4 video and click on download, and then this video is going to be downloaded and saved onto your computer. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually add in music to YouTube shorts. And once this is on your computer, simply come back to YouTube and then simply re-upload this video onto YouTube, and you will be able to of course just let it run there and get you the views that you want. Of course you guys can also add in transitions over here, but of course this is not a video editing tutorial. This is a music edition tutorial. You can also mix music as well by simply clicking on the music and then right clicking on it, and then you guys can split the audio. Then you guys can of course add in more tracks over here. So guys, like all in all, this is very easy. Like you guys can do some really good mastering over here. So let's just hear it out for now, and we'll see how it sounds like. So as you guys saw that we have just mixed and mastered a song. So guys, of course this is the best option for you guys to add in music to, and this honestly doesn't take much time. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care till next time. Goodbye.